Come on. Back to work out. This workout is good for back. Come on. Woo. Let's go. Lightweight. Lightweight. Workout na naman tayo. Tagal-tagal tayo hindi nakapag-workout. 2 buwan. Walang workout. So, recover na naman tayo sa muscle natin. Kailangan natin may balik ulit yung size niya. Tsaka yung muscle na nawala. Nandyan pa yung muscle kaso lumipis, lumiit. So, kailangan natin i-pump ulit yan. Babalik yan. Basta tamang tulog, tamang pagkain at protein, tamang workout lang. So, bye!